Exercise 6.3, first question. We have 6 divided by 3. What we have to do is write each of the following divisions as fractions. All we have to do is write it in the form of 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3, basically whatever we write, this can be written as 6 by 3, right? 6 divided by 3 can be written as 6 by 3. So let's check 6 by 3. Okay. So can it be simplified? Can be simplified, and 6 by 3 is actually 2 by 1. Okay, so the actual answer can be written as 2 by 1, but all they've asked us to do is to write it in the form of fractions. Okay, so 6 divided by 3, this is an operational symbol. Okay, so just write it as 6 by 3. Okay, next question, 25 by 5. So similar to how we wrote 6 by 3 as 6 divided by 3 is 6 by 3, we just simply replace the divided by symbol with the fraction symbol. So 25 divided by 5, okay, we have that can be written as 25 by 5. 25 by 5, which is actually equal to 5 by 1. When we simplify it, we get it as 5 by 1 actually. Okay, but we can write it as 25 by 1 also. That is actually the correct answer, I guess. 5 by 1 is just a simplified answer. Okay, next question, we have 125 divided by 50. So similar to previous both questions that we did, what we're supposed to basically do is write it as 125 divided by 50. Okay, so 125 divided by 50, how much is it? So we know that 5 into 25 is 125, right? So basically, how much is 125 divided by 50? We could simplify it. Okay, let's try simplifying the thing. So let's divide both these numbers divided by 25. 25 into 5 is 125, right? So that's equal to 25 into 5, and 25 into 2 is 50, right? 25 into 2 is 50. So if we cut both the 25s, we get the answer as 5 by 2. Okay, so 5 by 2 is the simplest form of 125 by 50. Okay, 5 by 2 is the simplest form, and so we could either write as 125 by 50, or we could still write it as 5 by 2. Okay, which is the simplest form and correct form also. Usually when we writing it in fractions, we actually write it in the simplest form of the number. Okay, so now moving on to the next one, we have 55 by 11. Okay, which is actually written by 55 by 11, that is equal to 5. 5 is the answer actually, 5 by 1 when we divide it, similar to the second question, but writing it as 5511 is also actually correct answer, and this is the simplest form of fraction. Okay, so the answer is, for all of these fractions, basically what you have to do is just replace the divided by symbol operator with the fraction. Okay, so 6 by 3, whatever it is. Okay, and most probably you will end up with having a simple fraction like what I did for as the final answer, and when you do so, it is actually correct, and it's a really efficient method to find the fractions. Okay, fractions are basically written in the simplest form, in the form of ratios. Okay,